Dr. Ellis at Chattanooga ENT, you're a failure at your job. You diagnosed me pretty much with mental illness instead of linguatulosis, which is a tongue worm, Linguatula serrata, serrated tongue, fatal in humans. I've tried showing you evidence of this via cell phone, picture, video, or discuss with you, but you did not have the time. You wouldn't even look at the right places with your scope. So thank you. Thank you for killing me.